Yep.
It's going. Ah, sorry. Couldn't hear the beep. Yeah, it's Ninja. Got Matty here.
Hello.
We're treating the front of his shoulder. He reckons he's been doing a lot of treatments lately. You got a lot 30 hours last week, mate.
Yeah,
Bloody good.
Treated 30 people just every day. Everyone's coming through.
Congratulations, man. That was a good effort.
Yeah.
So he's sort of feeling a bit sore down through his.
Well, because we do this a lot, it just feels like it just feels it would get better by itself. But since we're outside in the sun, I thought why not?
Let's get a treatment done. Like, to get an angle where you can see what's going on. So
yeah, brutal.
I'm just gonna sit in here for a start. So get the heel of my hand in there, and yeah, just trying to push that out. So he's kind of rounded a bit.
Oh my God!
Through the chest.
Yeah.
Matty's got the biggest chest at the MMT.
It's shrinking, I reckon.
Much bigger than Darcy.
You hear that, Darcy?
Darcy, you're little. You're a little man. So we're just enjoying the sun. Like, yeah, trying to get a bit of sun on different parts of our body. Like, it's been deprived of a bit of sun. We're coming out of winter, so we're just trying to soak it up and
it's calling us to outside.
We kind of just know it's healthy.
Yeah.
It's what we need. We're craving it, so
100%.
we're just kind of giving it a bit of love.
Yeah, it's annoying when you have to work and do your job. You have to be inside.
Yeah.
So it's like, ugh. So it's nice. Yeah, we've got a bit of a break before sprints. So we'll be outside some more later today.
Yeah, we tops off down there.
Yeah.
So that'll be good.
What time in the day is when the sun's not that dangerous? Is that after 5?
My rule is a 3-finger rule. So you kind of you hold your hand out kind of a bit like that, just arm slightly bent, and you put your bottom finger on the horizon, and then if the sun's inside that, it means that it's all right to look at. But it's sort of it's the last couple of hours, or depending on how hot it is. But yeah, the last couple of hours and the first couple of hours in the morning when the sun comes up.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, you can actually look directly at the sun. You can sun gaze when the sun's inside your fingers. So the sunset and the sunrise. That's why people just are attracted to it. They just want to see the sunrise and the sunset. It's like a special thing. But innately, we know that it's what we want to do.
It's just probably the best life hack in the world. Probably just natural, free. It's just like sleep. You're trying to figure out how to improve your life, taking pills and shit. You know what? Just gotta sleep and get some sun. Yeah. They can't market it that well.
Yeah, there's no money in that.
No.
Even like you do, like at your house, man, you turn the power off.
Yeah, every night.
And let alone, some people might even turn the Wi-Fi off, but yeah, Matty actually tries to turn all the power points off and not even have any lights, on the TV or the computer or the charger or whatever. It's got a little blue light or a little red light. So
I like when the room's just completely pitch black and you can't see anything. It's just just ready for bed.
You know what, Matty? I'm scared of the dark. What can you do for me? I reckon a candle.
Yeah.
A candle.
Candle would be pretty
Candle
cozy.
is natural.
Yeah.
So the candle light, the red from the fire.
Yeah.
That's the way it
Wake
used
up
to
in
be.
a fire.
Yeah, the house is on fire.
But yeah, a salt lamp is actually pretty cozy. You still can see, and it's still got that feel of like you can fall asleep. I like to have the salt lamp at night and journal or do a puzzle or something, or even kind of meditate or just kind of self-reflection.
Yeah. Old school, Matty. You're an old soul, mate. You're an old soul.
Yeah.
You got the desk and you put the feather into the ink thing. What do they call that?
I don't know.
You write your diary. I should get you one.
All right. Next year or Christmas.
Yeah. Oof. Matty can write you all a personal card for Christmas.
It's gonna cost
$100.
Yeah, $100 each.
A quill, isn't it? A quill dipped in ink.
Yeah, it is.
A quill dipped in ink.
Yeah,
handwritten by Matty. $100.
Bargain.
Get in contact. $100 US.
US.
$100. You can get your your little, what would you write to people? A little poem or something? Or
Whatever they request.
Best wishes from Matty.
I reckon I've been practicing some poems. It's hard. It's good fun to try rhyme some words. So if you want a poem, send us a DM on Instagram or something.
Yeah. A poem from Matty. His side hustle.
Yeah.
Just created here on bloody YouTube.
Yeah.
How's my going, man?
Yeah,
We've been chatting a bit. I haven't been really.
Yeah, concentrating. No,
I've been concentrating, but I can feel.
Oh, you can multitask. You're good at it.
Multitask. Look at Aaron. Aaron's trying to get a bit of sun.
Bit of
You've got a bit
feature.
of fucking.
You got the pyramid head in.
Yeah.
You struggling
Wants
to
a bit
talk
of
or something?
limelight.
Get your hand out of there.
Need some limelight. We've got another YouTube channel that fucking revs their engines
Oh,
over
keep
there.
it reeked. Who would have thought? They're a YouTube channel literally next door. Well, quite successful. I think they got close to 100,000 followers.
Not as many as us.
Yeah, but they're doing well. They've got a lot more on socials. But,
Yeah, no, that's awesome.
might do a collaboration. Maybe they can hot
chuck your head
Ninja's
over.
car up and we'll treat them.
Run over a printer with one of their cars.
That'll get it done.
And remake it. What do you reckon? Print a video. Look up here for the card. We'll try and put it in.
Collaboration.
Is it tuber?
Yeah.
Okay, could be.
tuber.
Yeah.
YouTube, mate.
Why not?
YouTube, we're talking healthier, sunlight, fresh air, good conversation,
I can't see shit right now.
Common
I'm
unity.
blinded.
That's good.
But the thing that you're talking about, the
Sun gazing.
yeah, what were you doing with your fingers? I couldn't even see.
Three fingers like that.
This is what you're doing, son.
Matty,
Really?
yeah, get
Friday
your Matty, what are you fucking thinking, mate?
I don't need any advice.
Yeah, 3 fingers. The sun's inside, I suppose, like.
Am I retarded?
Put your fingers on the horizon, the bottom of your fingers on the horizon, and if the sun's normally that big, whatever. So it's sort of if it's inside your
So okay, if you
the
can.
horizon, so you can sun gaze at that time. So normally that sun will hurt your eyes when it's higher up.
Yeah.
in
I
the
looked at
sky.
the sun after like 5ish or something.
Yeah. So it depends what time of the year because it's longer at certain times of the year, man. So we can't say a time, can we? Because sometimes it sets at 9 o'clock.
Yes, Dad.
Sometimes it sets at 5. So we can't put a time on it.
Yeah, fair enough.
You try and look at the sun at 9 o'clock in the middle of winter, you won't be doing too
We're
good.
fucking training or what? What's happening?
No, I'm finished.
Oh, okay.
I'm finished. You're fixed.
Alright.
Yeah, get your pyramid. Get your pyramid. get your wax.
Yeah.
You want to do a course with us? Hook us up. Full of knowledge. Yeah. Mentorship, me and Aaron.
Yeah, tell them about fix it yourself.
Nah, fix it yourself. If you're on the other side of the planet, buy Fix It Yourself. Best thing you'll ever buy in your whole life. You know, buy it for a friend, whatever. You know, anybody that needs a bit of a hand can't access us. There's no MMT practice
Poem?
around.
You got a poem?
A poem, $100 from Matty.
Yeah, done.
Yeah.
New side.
You want poems for $100.
Yeah.
Are you a
Apparently.
poet?
Written with a quill, dipped in
really?
ink. Yep.
Oh no.
Ink.
Dipped in ink.
Octopus ink.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right.
Sweet as. Thank you.
Sweet as.
Thanks, Matty. Done.
Sheesh.